Is noise pollution bad? Noise pollution is caused by noise that is created by human activity, and noise pollution has some negative effects for both personal health and the environment. The World Health Organization has stated that noise pollution is an underestimated problem that can cause hearing loss, cardiovascular issues, and sleeping disturbances, and hearing loss is already pretty bad. Currently, around 5% of the world's population, which is around 430 million people, are suffering from some sort of hearing loss and they require hearing rehabilitation. Now, if you do nothing about it, by 2050, there will be 2.5 billion people that will suffer from some sort of hearing loss, and 700 million among them will need hearing rehabilitation. Noise pollution also affects the ocean. Whales communicate and navigate using sound, but ships and submarines do that too, and this can confuse the whales, thus making them stranded on beaches. Every year, there are around 2,000 cases of beaching that happens, and these are reminders that noise pollution cannot be taken lightly. I've been Billy Ben from ISA, and please visit sustainability.co.id. See ya!